Welcome to today's video. Actually, in today's video, I'm going to actually clear doubts that have and concerns that have been raised. People have sent messages and asking whether functions can we get simultaneous equations in function. And actually, in this video, I'm also going to clear that doubt. So, let's get started. A function. Let's look at this question. A function f of x is equal to ax plus b. If f of 1 equals 9 and f of 2 equals 14, find a and b values and hence evaluate f of 0. You see the way the question is going. And in our previous lesson, we said that let's use the original equation, which is f of x is equal to ax plus b. In our previous videos, we said when we have maybe f of w, it's nothing difficult because we are just replacing x with what? W. That's what we do. So it means that our f of w is going to be equal to aw plus b. Simple. Okay, so let's go to the question. They say f of 1 equals 9. So f of 1 equals 9. It means in the original equation, wherever we see x, we replace it with 1. So I have a times 1 plus b equals 9. So at this stage, we know that 1 times any letter is still that letter. So I have a plus b equals 9. So let's look at f of 2 equals 14. We are still dealing with the original equation. So anywhere we see x now, we are replacing that x with 2. So now I have a times 2 plus b equals 14. So a times 2 will be 2a plus b equals 14. So I can name this equation as maybe equation 1. Then let me name this one too as equation 2. The main reason we are doing that is that we are trying to tell you that if you take a plus b equals 9, is what? Is something we have denoted with what? Equation 1. And this one, the whole thing here is what? Equation 2. And at this point, we have two different equations. And that's not all. They are telling us that we should find the values of a and b. And we can always find the values of a and b when we do what? We do what we call what? We apply what we call simultaneous equation. So in questions like this, simultaneous equation must be applied. And simultaneous equation, you have two types. You have elimination and you have substitution. I always like using elimination because it's very simple and I go so fast. But those that are still getting problems and trouble with simultaneous equations, don't worry. I'll make videos concerning that to clear that out so that you also be okay with actually when it comes to the fear of solving simultaneous equation. Okay, let's continue. So we have to find the values of a and b. And the only way we can deal with it is to use what? Elimination and substitution. Those two things are what? The two simultaneous equations format we have. So let me use elimination. As I said, elimination. I am using elimination. Okay. So now I would like to subtract equation 2. I would like to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So that is 2a plus b equals 14 minus the whole of equation 1, a plus b equals 9. So at this point of the game, let's start doing the subtraction. When we have 2a and we are subtracting an a, that means that it's going to left with a. A b minus a b will be left with what? 0 equals 14 minus 9 will give us what? 5. So I know that my a is equal to what? 5. So at this point, I've gotten the value of a. I can't stop there. I need to find the value of b. So what I need to do at this point is that I need to just apply the results I've gotten in order to get the next result. So what then do? I need to either put a equals 5 into equation 1 or a equals 5 into equation 2 so that I get the value of b. So look at what I'm doing. So putting a equals 5 into equation 1. I'm putting it into equation 1 because equation 1 is so simple. A plus b equals 9. So A is 5 plus B equals 9. So my B will be equal to 9 minus 5. My B equals 4. So now I've gotten the values of what A and B, and then writing this as in an example, in an exam, so simply what you have to do is that you say that therefore the values of A and B are 5 and 4 respectively. If you write it like this and you eliminate the respectively, it is wrong because the examiner wouldn't know whether 5 is A or 5 is B. So respectively is telling the examiner that as the letter is following each other, so as the result is also following each other. So A comes first, so A is first, B comes second, B is second. Thank you very much. So that is what you have done. But in order to complete the question, they say evaluate f of 0. So my f of 0 will be equal to, now I know that my original f of x is equal to, since I know A to be 5 and B to be 4, so my original f of x, let me write it. My original f of x is no more ax plus b. It is rather 5x plus 4. So what I'm going to do is that in finding f of 0, it means that wherever I see x now, I'm replacing x with 0. So 5 times 0 plus 4. 5 times 0 we all know is 0 plus 4. So the final result is 4. So therefore, our f of 0 equals 4. That is it. So simple. Thank you, viewers. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and also touch the notification bell so that you get any video as soon as it comes. And also, my YouTube channel, you can visit my YouTube channel to watch videos, my lessons and lectures at Ultimate Mathematics Frederick, and also on Facebook, Ultimate Mathematics. You see my profile picture there on Facebook as Mathematical Formulas. You can book an appointment. Kindly call me on 0550-525-111 and also try to chat me more, and I'm going to open your eyes in mathematics. You are going to pass your exams so mysteriously that people will understand that really you are now a shark in mathematics. My key sponsor is Gosway Enterprise. Locate Gosway Enterprise in Nkwanta Volta region, the OT region. The OT region. It's just at the main lorry station. It deals with provisions, soap, cosmetics, and all those stuffs. Buy goods, plenty and numerous of goods, enormous goods at low and affordable prices. God bless you. Bye bye.